beautiful over here in RVing, Montana. Sun is ready to rise, and that's the color. We've been camping there for just take a rest and check everything, make sure everything's okay. And because it was a long drive from Alaska to here to Montana to check the tire pressure, and I think one of the tire was bad. They have a leak on the tire, so it is good thing that we came to that RV campground. It's about 30 minutes from the border, and we stay there, just take a rest. It's loud outside in the motorhome right now because of the wind. There's still a lot of wind. I don't know how long this wind, but there, maybe it's like a cross wind because there's nothing blocking. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye. Hey everyone, this is what happened. The long travel we have. Sometimes you get hole. What did it explain?
No, it looked like a piece of metal.
Oh, there's a piece of metal.
Yeah, there it is.
Wow.
I hope it's not too big for the plug-in.
Mm.
Hey.
Yeah, I could hear the air. You see, they have a piece of metal. Metal. Oh,
There you
that's
go.
the one. Oh wow.
I hope the plug holds.
It's just like this looking.
It's kind of big.
That's the one. You went to our tire. At least we stop and then check the tire, and that's what we see. So every time you travel,
I hope this plug thing works.
especially long travel.
Luck of the draw. We had all those RVs before and never had any issues.
Yeah.
It's our first tire issue
First time issue we have in the motorhome.
with the tire.
Never have with the
After all these
tire.
years.
And that's what they get to the tire. Right here, that piece. We've been
Okay.
motorhome, and this is the first time that we got some happen like this. But at least we caught it early.
I do that slowly.
See, from the Shelby, Montana, we drove here. Probably almost Billings, not too far. With this truck stop, gas station.
Yeah, I picked it up before you got to Shelby, I think. But I'm going to air it up to the max, to the 85 psi, which is recommended for this motorhome, and see if it still holds.
Sorry for the noise. Everything here is noise. The truck coming, we're in the side of the highway. In the back of the motorhome, and then the what do you call that one?
Huh?
This
Compressor.
That person.
It's a little baby compressor. It only has one gallon tank, so it takes a little bit.
Everything here is noise.
It does the job.
Yeah.
It's compact. You can carry it with you. Hold it. That's good for me.
Oh, and there's no more bubble.
This little cheapy warm water patch kit seemed to work.
Really?
Yeah.
Which one? That one?
It's just a warm one. That's it. It's a patch. It's not a patch, but it's a plug kit.
This is the one, right? It happened. Sometimes you run to a metal or nails in your tire. Hi.
How you doing?
You guys got it?
Yeah, I just had to plug this. It was just they had a pretty good size piece of metal in there, but
Alrighty.
it's all plugged. I had to use a
Thank
couple
you.
of plugs, but thanks for stopping by.
Thank you for
Appreciate it.
stopping by.
Thanks.
Good people there just stop us. Asking for help. Help good people. I don't know what's the temperature right here, but it's kind of cold. Even though
It's in the 30s.
it's in the 30s. Yeah.
Alright.
We're in Red Falls. Oh, passing Red Falls, Montana. So kind of. There's a jeep. Travel with a jeep in the back. Just in case also something happen. We are. And we also carry gas. Yeah. It's all gas. So when you plan your travel, make sure you got everything you need. Food. Yeah, you use.
The jack, and then
Motorhome jacket.